Welcome to another edition of Blue Collar Sports. On this episode, we will feature American Powerboat Association Region 9, Big New, Season Finale Roll Call, Date Change, Hidden Lake Season Finale OCT 2930, Last Chance for 2022 points west of the Mississippi, all classes in stock, Mod, Pro, Junior. And now with us on the phone is the CBC Netrock boat racing expert Cliff from Boston and Cheyenne from Illinois.
Hydroplanes are hull types that are made up of 3 points of contact to the water. The 3 points of contact are made up of two sponsons located on both sides of the front of the hull and the running surface located at the aft end of the hull. Air traps connect the sponsons and aft end running surface, creating a tunnel underneath the hull. This tunnel traps air underneath the hull, which lifts the entire hull out of the water, allowing it to run free of resistance. Nicknamed hydroplaning, there are very few design restrictions to these hull types. Generally, the weight and speed of the individual classes dictates the length and width of the hydroplane. Hydroplanes makes use of a side fin for turning the boat in a level or balanced position. In general, hydroplane racing is where most new racers start due to stable design, and less physical movement is required on the part of the driver.
Runabouts are hull types that make use of a flat-bottom running surface, which provides a cushion of air for the boat to ride on. Runabouts have overall length restrictions, but nothing else, which must match the class in which it will be fielded.
Driving a runabout depends on the setup of the turning fin. Originally, runabouts had turn fins mounted to the center of the bottom of the boat, so the driver turned on the inside chine of the boat by rolling it on its side. This driving style spawned the nicknamed roll-up runabout. This type of driving requires the skilled movement of the driver's body position and weight. However, since its origin, the runabout has seen advancements in the way it turns. Runabouts can now have a turning fin mounted to the side fin runabout. This requires the driver to maintain a level or balanced position with the boat so it will skid or slide its way around the turn. Depending on the size of the racetrack, one boat may corner faster than the other, but ultimately, the preference of boat is chosen by the comfort.
But I remember everything. What have I become? My sweetest friend. Everyone I know goes away in the end, and you could have it all. My empire of dirt, I will let you down. I will make you hurt.
So I say alright if you pay the price. She'll let you deep inside, but there's a sea